You asked what I would say to Mike Pence. We're continually told that our loved ones are safe in this establishment. I want Mike Pence to come and sit with my father-in-law for an hour in this facility, if it's that safe. I would also say that the procedures that you guys have, that the CDC have in place, are not working. This disease seems to be contagious before it's symptomatic. Why are we waiting until people are symptomatic? And especially for a population like this, that's a death sentence. I think we're 0 for 8 right now, right? Everybody here who's been tested positive has, I believe that's the case, has now died. So if you're testing positive, why even move them, right? Like that, it's done. So I want Mike Pence, I want the CDC. The CDC need to change their approach to this. We've been promised tests. It's a day later and we're still no tests. I don't know how long it takes to get tests here. I still don't see a large CDC presence. And like I said, I'm one of the lucky ones. I'm waiting for that phone call and I don't want it to come, right? So selfishly, that's why I called this today, because yesterday we were, one of the VPs from LCC told us that they had this new procedure in place, that we would have daily updates from a care representative that's been assigned to each of us. And then today Pat emailed me on that group thread and said, can you call me? My mother has passed away. I'm not trained as a counselor, but I spoke with Pat. We were on the call together when she said, hold on, I have another call coming through. I think it's the care center. She called me back 15 minutes later. She said, you won't believe what just happened. I've just had a phone call to say that my mother is fine.
She came back to life.
Yeah. And it was at that moment that we decided that we needed to up the game a bit and see. So, and then from an anger perspective, I know a lot of people have said they're not angry at the care facility. At the start, I was incredibly angry with the care facility and frustrated. My anger now lies squarely with, I don't even know if it's the CDC or the BOH. I don't know, or the DOH. I don't know who we're supposed to be angry with. I don't think that the Life Care Centre of Kirkland have done a particularly good job, but I don't think they're equipped or trained to deal with this. And we still don't have the people whomever the people who are supposed to fly in and deal with this highly infectious, deadly disease, they're the people that I'm personally incredibly angry with. And I'd like to speak to them. I'd like to speak with them in the facility. That's where I want to speak with them. If this facility is safe enough for my father-in-law, I want Mike Pence in that facility. I want Dow Constantine's. Any of them who have elderly parents, I want their parents in this facility. If it's safe enough for my father-in-law, it's safe enough for their parents as well. That's how angry I am, and that's how frustrated I am.